Today, we're looking at Mercado Libre Incorporated, ticker symbol MELI. Kicking things off here with the Seeking Alpha Quant System, which currently has a hold rating on the stock, and that's due to these factor grades, which we'll dive into in just a moment. Jumping over to the Seeking Alpha analysts, you'll see that 11 analysts have covered MELI in the last 30 days and have given a buy rating in aggregate. And lastly, Wall Street analysts currently have a strong buy on this stock, and that is with 26 analysts writing about MELI in the last 90 days. To learn more about how the Seeking Alpha Quant System and Seeking Alpha analysts outperform the market, visit the link in the description of this video. So let's dive deeper. This is a $118 billion market capitalization company found within the consumer discretionary sector. Competitors include the likes of Amazon, Limited, and Alibaba. Diving first into the valuation grade here, which is a D-, that is due to things such as the forward PE non-GAAP, which is 52.57 compared to the sector at 17.80. And also, if we look at the forward price to sales, it's currently tracking at 4.2 compared to the sector at 0.98, showcasing that this stock is trading at a premium. Jumping over to the growth grade, which is currently A, we look at the year-over-year revenue growth, which is up 35.81% compared to the sector at 2.68%. And looking at the EPS forward growth of about 50.57% compared to the sector at 6.55%. Jumping over to the profitability grade, which is currently an A, and that's due to the net income margin here of 8.52% compared to the sector at 4.38%. And if you look at the return on common equity, it is currently up 44% compared to the sector at 11.01% there. Now, jumping into the momentum grade, it is a B currently, and that's one-year price performance of 13.89% compared to the sector, which is actually down about 2.9% here. And bringing up the last factor grade, the EPS revisions, which is currently a D grade, and that's due to the EPS having 0 up revisions and 16 down revisions in the last 3 months. And looking at revenue revisions, we have 20 up revisions and 2 down revisions in the last 3 months there as well.
We are not advising you personally concerning the nature, potential, value, or suitability of any particular security. You alone are solely responsible for determining whether any investment, security, or strategy, or any product or service is appropriate or suitable for you based on your investment objectives and personal and financial situation. This presentation is for informational purposes only. Content is presented as of the date published or indicated and may be superseded by future events. It represents my opinions, which may not reflect the views of Seeking Alpha as a whole. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Seeking Alpha is not a licensed securities dealer, broker, or U.S. investment advisor or investment bank.